Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a video for anybody that's interested. A little unboxing. This is the Asus Scar 2 with the RTX 2070. I got it from Best Buy. It's well, they matched my price that I got from Micro Center, and considering Micro Center is 4.5 hours away from my house, I figured it'd be easier to buy it from Best Buy. Hopefully it doesn't have all that Best Buy crap on it, but I don't think it will. But yeah, this has the RTX 2070, 512 gigs of RAM, or gigabyte SSD. I think it's just a 16 gigabyte, ooh, that factory seal there. I think it's just a single 16 gigabyte stick, which is good because I'll just put another one in there and activate the dual channel. It's actually kind of what I wanted, because, you know, I've had computers with 16 gigabytes for a long time. Why the hell not have 32? But, there's the laptop. I guess we'll set it aside like everybody else does. See what's in this box. We got some kind of manual. Probably don't need that. I don't know what that is. Hey, you guys aren't interested in any of that shit anyway, so. Extra hard drive cable. Because this one did not come with a secondary hard drive, which for me is a good thing. For you, I don't know, but for me, that's great, because then I can just put in whatever one I want. Here's the brick. It's nice. Power cord. Probably gonna need that. We'll see. Nothing on this side. Nothing under there. So that's it. Nice box. Nice case candy. Good box. I like it. Let me put this crap back here. I don't have another hard drive right now, so I am not going to need this just yet, but I don't want to lose it, because I don't know how this laptop's going to be. I mean, I bought a gaming laptop not that long ago, which I'm not really a gamer, but I like to have power, so, I mean, I'll play a few games, get down on some Mortal Kombat 11 or something, you know, I don't know, but, yeah, I just like the power, man, honestly, I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, let's see this beauty. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. You know, if you're watching this video, you probably know what this thing's about. 144 hertz. Oh, Kensington lock. USB, probably 3.2, 3.1, I don't know. SSD card reader. Light bar. That lights up. Speaker, I think. More USBs, headphone jacks, HDMI display port, Ethernet, power cable. Hopefully it's not a piece of crap power cable, because some of them break off. But I'm pretty gentle. Solid lid. Oh yeah, look at that bezel. Little tiny bezel. Good looking. Good looking. Sorry, a fat kid with no shirt. Well, I ain't that fat, but whatever. Let's power it on here. Oh no, it's dead on arrival. Oh, well, I guess I gotta plug it in. That's probably gonna take me a minute, so let me pause this video. Okay, I'm back. And it's lighting up. And, yeah. I don't know why my screen's blurry. There we go. I'm just filming with a smartphone, so. Still rocking that S7 because it's good. Oh, there we go. It loaded. Oh yeah. Windows is starting up. Looks pretty good. I'll hit you with another video probably, you know, some other time. But I just wanted to let you see it. You know, I'm going to do the whole, you know, getting it set up thing, and I'll let you know how I like it. But looks pretty good. Good looking laptop. I basically bought it because of the way that you could take it apart, because I like computers that come apart real easy, and I seen some videos on how this thing comes apart and how you can change thermal paste and change hard drives and stuff, and I liked it. And you know, I had the cash. I wanted a little bit future proof. I mean, I know nothing's future proof, but it is what it is. Alright, YouTube, have a good day.